Buy Century's Sandalwood soap at cheap and discounted price from link in the description. Caswell Massey's Century Sandalwood has a smooth, natural and authentic sandalwood scent derived from sustainably sourced Australian sandalwood oil, and a blend of herbal and botanical oils. This is a calming, woodsy, unisex aroma that is perfect for a relaxing bath or shower. Caswell Massey Triple Milled Soap lasts longer than other leading brands. They use a technique to mill each bar 3 times, removing excess water and air. This creates a luxurious soap with a rich lather, concentrated ingredients, and a lasting fragrance. Included are 12 bars of Century's Sandalwood soap. This fragrant soap smells of fresh botanicals and cypriol, which has a woody, earthy scent with overtones of spice. Their triple-milled, vegetable-based sandalwood soap lasts longer and produces a beautiful, rich lather. Each bar contains the highest quality oils and ingredients, for a bar that's fragrant down to the last sliver. Made in the USA since 1752. It is never tested on animals and contain no paraben, sulfate, or phthalate. Each sandalwood soap bar set comes in a distinctive box, perfect for gift giving on Father's Day, birthdays or any special occasion where you want to give a gift that truly stands out. Caswell Massey, an American original, has been producing luxury soaps and fine fragrances for over 266 years, since being founded in America in 1752.